Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2, question number 2, Part C. State three uses, ways it could be utilized, okay, of a share premium account. How can we utilize a share premium account? So you can use it in three ways. So the first way is, it could write off any preliminary expenses on the formation of a company or a share issue. Okay, it is used for write off any preliminary expenses on the formation of a company. Okay, so I can write off any expenses using this share premium. Then it could also be used to redeem, okay, any premium shares. Okay, when you want to redeem, you will use it. And the third way you can use it is, it could be used for issue of bonus shares. So you can also use this to issue bonus shares. Explain the meaning of the term provision. So provision means, okay, provision is any amount, okay, it's going to be set. A provision is any amount that is set aside to cover any liability, future, okay, liability. If you write this, you will get 1 mark. So you have to, because it's a 3 marker, you have to state at least 3 points related to this provision. So the first pointer is this one, okay, it is an amount that is usually set aside to cover any future liability. So example, okay, example is irrecoverable debt. Okay, I can state one more example. So it can be trade receivables. This provision. Okay, so you are creating this to assume that there could be, you might not recover certain debts, or you might not receive trade receivables. So what is the for concept it follows? It follows prudence concept. So that, okay, it is following the prudence concept. So any expenses or the income occurred in the same period, I will be able to show it accurately. So 3 points you have to state, so that you get 3 marks for explaining the term provision. Okay, when they say explain the term of provision, you don't just state the meaning, okay, because it's a 3 marker, you have to give at least 3 statements, okay, related